Corey bought these bottles of wine, and they're by 19 Crimes, and each bottle has its own little story, and you download the app and you put it over the bottle, and then it tells you what you should. Wait, I want to film the bottle. Yeah, this is what they look like. This is the red wine. This is the guy that we're gonna learn about.
The spirit of a rogue sustains when the bars of man impede. For no cage can hold that which is boundless. No man stop that which is fated to be.
What, that's it? I thought it told you what he did.
I was banished to Australia for crimes against the crown. They believed my story was over, but it was merely the beginning.
Pretty cool. Here, let's see this one. We got this one too.
For the sake of my children, I begged for mercy, but the judge showed me none. I was sentenced to 7 years, transported for stealing bacon, banished from my home.
For stealing bacon? That's kind of...
Someday, sometime, our eyes shall see the faces kept in memory. Someday their hands shall clasp our hand, just over in the morning land.
Cool.
Huh. She got banished for stealing bacon for her kids.
Okay,
I thought they'd be like...
Stuff. This is 16% off.
I thought they would be like some cool, like, crazy story. Like, I murdered my kids and fed them to the neighbors for dinner kind of thing.
Fed them to the neighbors for dinner, baby. You're like...
For real. Thought they'd be intense.
Mm-hmm.
That's really weird. You have to have a certain setting. We'll get a video of Corey chugging the last of the wine. Christmas time. Let's see how good of audio it gets. Yay, Christmas time. Look at all the presents. You guys got 2, 3, 4 trees. That's a little much though. Hey?
No, they have 11.
There's 11?
They're all over the place.
Oh my gosh.
You're trying to like show us up or something?
Yeah, really, we have one little 6-foot Charlie Brown tree. We got it for $20.
Yeah, our tree is that big, but we can't put it on the table because it'd be like bent over on the ceiling.
Hello everybody! Happy New Year everyone! It is New Year's, last day of 2017. It's been an awesome year. It's the year that I started my YouTube channel. That kind of grew. That's awesome. I'm really excited about that. I'm hoping 2018 is only better for me in that regard. Corey got me the drone for Christmas, so I think it's probably going to be a pretty good year for the filming side of it. And we're just stopped to look at the sunset, and it's pretty magnificent. It's pretty cold. It's only about, oh, I don't know, 10 degrees, 13 degrees. But that is pretty epic.